What if we told you there's a middleweight naked bike that can set personal best lap times at the racetrack completely stock, embarrass bigger and more expensive machines in the twisties, and still be perfectly happy carrying you to work on a Monday morning, all for under $12,000? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, the 2026 Aprilia Tuono 660 Factory is exactly that bike. And after putting it through its paces on both the street and the track at Chuckwalla Valley Raceway, we can confidently say this thing is an absolute cheat code on paper. The Tuono 660 Factory looks unassuming. Flat handlebars, a modest 660cc engine, middleweight dimensions. Nothing that screams fire-breathing performance machine. But twist that throttle, click through the gears, and the whole story changes instantly. The name Tuono means thunder in Italian, but this bike feels more like a lightning bolt, sharp, fast, and endlessly exciting. With over 100 horsepower on tap from just 659cc. The Tuono 660 Factory actually produces more power than any other parallel twin in the middleweight class, including Yamaha's 689cc, Honda's 755cc, and Suzuki's 776cc engines. The closest competitor is Triumph's three-cylinder Trident 660 with 94 horsepower, still a full 11 horses behind. Fewer cubes, more power. Aprilia have done something genuinely impressive here. The engine itself is a 659cc parallel twin with a 270-degree crank, and on the factory model, it gets 50mm throttle bodies minus for millimeters larger than the standard Tuono, plus redesigned exhaust headers, giving it that extra 5 horsepower punch over the base bike. What makes it special, though, isn't just the peak power number. It's the way the power is delivered. The mid-range is strong and punchy, giving you instant response when you crack the throttle mid-corner. The top end pulls hard and eagerly all the way to the rev limiter with a voraciousness that genuinely feels like something bigger and wilder. In first, second, and even third gear, wheelies are completely on the menu. There are a couple of small gripes. Throttle response can feel slightly vague right at the very initial crack, and on hot days after hard riding it can take a few extra cranks to fire up. Minor issues on an otherwise exceptional engine. Supporting all that performance is Aprilia's full PRC electronics suite, derived directly from their MotoGP racing program. You get multiple ride modes, adjustable traction control, wheelie control that works independently from TC, launch control, cruise control, adjustable engine braking, adjustable ABS, and a bidirectional quick shifter, all displayed through a sharp 5-inch color TFT screen. The fact that wheelie control can be switched off while keeping traction control active mid-corner is the kind of thoughtful, rider-focused feature that makes you realize Aprilia really understand what enthusiast riders actually want. The menu navigation isn't quite as slick as some rivals, but everything is logical and easy to adjust on the fly. Chassis and handling are where the Tuono 660 Factory really sets itself apart from the middleweight crowd. At a claimed 399 pounds, it has one of the best power-to-weight ratios in the entire class at 3.8 pounds per horsepower, virtually identical to the KTM 790 Duke and streets ahead of bikes like the Suzuki GSX-8S. The twin-spar aluminum frame uses the engine as a stressed member, keeping the whole package incredibly light and compact without making it feel nervous or twitchy. Handling is direct, precise, and beautifully neutral, responsive without ever being unpredictable. You put in the input, the bike executes it. Simple as that. Factory spec suspension means fully adjustable. Öhlins NIX30 43mm forks up front end and Öhlins STX for 6 shock at the rear. Proper track-grade hardware that keeps everything planted and composed, whether you're flowing through canyon roads or loading the front hard on corner entry at the circuit. It is firm, so urban pothole duty isn't the most comfortable experience, but that's a very fair trade-off for the level of performance on offer. Dual 4-piston Brembo radial calipers with 320mm floating discs handle the stopping duties with strong initial bite, progressive feel, and zero fade even after repeated hard laps. The ABS calibration is spot on too, barely intrusive even in track mode. At $11,599, the Aprilia Tuono 660 factory is genuinely one of the most compelling buys in motorcycling right now. It undercuts the Ducati Street Fighter V2 by over $4,000 while delivering comparable performance, adjustability, and premium componentry. For street riding, canyon carving, and the occasional track day, this might honestly be the perfect all-round performance naked bike available today.